Licensed plumbers in Kentucky, listen up. If you're ready to move up, want a better workplace, better benefits, and better treatment, then call ASI Plumbing right now. ASI Plumbing is growing and they're looking for licensed journeyman plumbers in Kentucky that know how to service their customers with high quality work and want to be treated the same way. ASI Plumbing is locally owned and operated, and due to their growth, needs plumbers now. If you qualify, start immediately and get a sign-on bonus. Call today.